Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box from, it's a subscription box by a company called Medusa. It's a little box. It costs $15.95 a month. The products are vegan and cruelty free. So you open up the box, it looks like that. I haven't looked in it yet. All I did was untape it so I could get in. So this is it. And the card says April 2018 beauty box. And they say it's a $39 value. And it's their products. It's Medusa makeup company's products. So let's see. Okay, so right off, the thing I'm excited about is a makeup brush. And it's a shader, you know, I call it a packer. I put you pack your shadow on with on your lid, on your movable lid. And it just says Medusa's makeup. If you can see. Right there. Well, the next thing is, it says Medusa's makeup cotton candy lip scrub. It's bright pink. That's what the top looks like. It smells like cotton candy. I'm not going to put it on my lips because I got my lip plumper on and don't want to redo. I kind of want to taste it. It's very grainy. It doesn't seem like it has, it doesn't feel like it has any, can you see it fall? You see it fall there? It doesn't seem like it has any oil to it. It's a little sweet. I would have to get used to that because I'm used to them that are stick together. This is a lipstick, and I think it's called Rosé. It has a apostrophe over the E. Is that backward to y'all? Or can you see it? I think that's Rosé. Oh, it's broken a little bit. It didn't do well in the shipping. So since it's that way and I can't give it away, I can't use it. That lip scrub is a little tingling on my tongue. It's making my tongue burn. It is a nice color. I don't know that I could wear it. It kind of matches what I have on. I'm gonna swatch it since I wouldn't put it in a giveaway with that broken tip. Oh, the whole thing is broken. Oh, I don't think I can make. And I have to put it in the freezer. It's like almost like it's melted or something. Huh. They're not doing too good out of the gate. You notice that? It's just lavender. Very trendy. And the next thing is an eyeshadow. So they had 4 things in the box. equal $39, and they have the prices listed. I'll read them at the end. They don't like that the lipstick was broken. This is called Kokomo, and it's like an electric yellow. Reminds me of the 80s, actually, that I probably wore when I was a teenager. I can't get into it. There we go. That's the color right there. I like it. Can't. Since I put my finger in the cotton candy, I will probably keep the lip scrub, which I use lip scrub. I'm still using the one we got in the BoxyCharm ever how many months ago. I use it. I got it rounded now instead in that point. But this will probably go in a giveaway. I probably can't let go of the brush. And I guess I'll keep this. Because it's the whole stick is melted. I may put it in the freezer and see if it'll stick back together. I don't know. So really, so there's 3 good products. The lipstick was broken, and I tasted this, so I'm gonna keep that. And I guess I'm gonna give away this because I just can't let the brushes go. I have a eyeshadow, lipstick, makeup brushes, but I'm not gonna wear this. I mean, I just can't. So there we go. It's a cute little box. Probably geared more to the younger crowd, but it's $15.95. And so it said the lipstick rosé is $12. So that's this. The eyeshadow brush is $8. The tropical matte eyeshadow in Kokomo was $9. And the cotton candy lip scrub was $10. It is a different consistency. I like Hannah Lee lip scrub, or Hannah Lee. I'm not really sure how I say Hannah Lee from the South when we drag everything out. So I like that the best of all that I've ever used. So this is like this one moves around. It's dry, but it's a consistency where it will scratch the dryness off your dry, scratchy lips. So yeah, like I said, that's a pretty cool box. I think it is geared probably to the younger crowd. And if you're in, you know, if you care, if your things are vegan, cruelty free, it's a, you know, if you care about all that stuff, this has it all. I think it's a pretty good box. Their website is medusamakeup.com. I haven't just ended up on their website. That's how I come across them. Just looking at makeup, and then I seen that they had a subscription box, and I contacted them. That's how that happened. Yeah. But if you are not subscribed to me, please click that button there on the left, or at the end. You can click my little face. It'll be in the middle. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it. Get the word out about Medusa. I've never seen anybody do an unboxing or talk about it, but there may be, but I've never seen it. Get the word out about it, because even though I don't think it's really for me, I do think young people would like it. Yep. So yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.